Hello everybody, I'm attorney Nathan Hauser, and in this video I'm going to explain permanent disability in California workers' compensation cases. In California workers' compensation, permanent disability refers to the percentage of disability that results from a work injury. The phrase permanent disability does not necessarily mean that a person will never return to work. When a work injury results in a person not being able to return to any type of work whatsoever or permanently removed from the labor market, that usually refers to permanent total disability. In most workers' compensation cases, the work injury results in permanent partial disability. Allow me to explain. When a doctor determines that the injured worker has reached maximum medical improvement or is otherwise released from medical care, a doctor can give permanent disability for each body part and body system that was injured as a result of the work injury. For example, if a person sustained injury to the neck, an orthopedic physician could assign permanent disability for the neck once that person has reached maximum medical improvement. If that neck injury has contributed to, worsened, or caused high blood pressure for that injured worker, another doctor in the field of internal medicine could assign permanent disability for the high blood pressure as well. When we have the percentages of permanent disability assigned for each body part or body system affected by the work injury, those percentages are included in a formula which will take into consideration the body part or body system injured as a result of the work injury, the injured worker's occupation, and the injured worker's age. The percentages of permanent disability for each body part and body system are then combined using what's called a combined values chart. The total combined permanent disability percentage that a person has suffered as a result of the work injury will correspond with a dollar value that is calculated to the last penny. On the screen is an example of a rating of permanent disability suffered by one of my past clients. In that case, the permanent disability for all injuries totaled 47% after being rated and combined using the combined values chart. We see that for the first disability, the doctor gave 10% for the right shoulder. And after the formula, that comes to 13%. The doctor gave a 7% for the low back. After the formula taking into account her age and occupation, that 7% comes to a 10%. Lastly, for the left knee, and in this case, the person underwent a total knee replacement, the permanent disability percentage was 21%, and after the formula comes to 32%. When using the combined values chart, those three values combined, not added, and there is a legal difference, yield a final percentage of 47% disability. When we look at the permanent disability money chart, for this particular person, we see that 47% permanent disability has a corresponding dollar figure of $72,500. Now, every case is different, but disputes arise in almost every case regarding the level of permanent disability that the injured worker has suffered. Our number one priority early in a workers' compensation case is to get you the medical care necessary to treat your work injuries from the best doctor available, and when you have reached maximum improvement, to maximize the permanent disability that you are owed because of your work injuries. If you have questions about your workers' compensation case or the permanent disability that a doctor has assigned to your injuries, please call or text the number on the screen, and we will be happy to give you an evaluation of your case completely free. Once again, I'm attorney Nathan Hauser, and I hope to hear from you soon.